Hello and welcome to the video. I am going to take you guys along with me packing for my 8-night cruise that I will be vlogging, so stay tuned for that video. This video is going to be posted before my trip, so there might be a slight gap in between when this video is posted and when the trip itself's video is posted. But yeah, in 3 days I am going on a 8-night cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras with like my entire family. Basically there's gonna be like 12 of us. So this is my suitcase. Wow. And this is my giant stack of clothes that I have. That's like everything that I'm packing. So, stool. Okay. So first we got my formal dresses for a formal night. We got this cute one. It's like a prettier color in person. Like here it looks like brown. So you shall pack that. And I have this blue one. Again, it looks like more gray on camera, but it is blue. It's like a blue-gray. Another dinner outfit I have is like this cute skirt with this top. And this is for dinner as well as white night. This dress. Okay, now we're getting into the regular clothes. So we have this cute romper. I'll leave this out because I don't know if this is gonna be my first day. Actually, it should probably be my first day outfit, or it could be my last day outfit. Cause like the last day is gonna be like the coolest weather. Yeah, so this is gonna be my last day outfit. So we have this white shirt. The long sleeve of it all was what I was dating, with this denim skirt. So then we got this cute butterfly top. It's not like shaped as a butterfly, it just has butterflies on them. It's like a little tank top. A lot of the clothes that I'm packing are tank tops just because I'm going to the Caribbean. Then we have this skirt. I thought it was cute for this. I actually bought the skirt just for the cruise. It came with a shirt, but I don't like the shirt and skirt together, so I have the shirt with something else. We have this with some jorts. So We have this dress that I've worn like on every cruise since I bought it. And we have this like lacy top with this skirt. I am starting to run out of room on the one side. And I'm trying to leave the other side for like pajamas and other stuff. So we're gonna have to start squeezing things in. We got these jean shorts that I'm pairing with two different outfits. We have the top that originally was with the green skirt. This one here. But I think looks better with the jean shorts. And then we have this, oh, it's inside out. This top as well. Perfect. And then my day one embarkation day outfit is my Crane Wives shirt with my jorts. So gotta keep that out. And so this is what the suitcase is looking like already. So I'm gonna zip that up and I will be back with some more stuff to pack. We're on the second round of packing, and this is like pajamas and shoes and stuff. So we got my Supernatural pajama pants. That's the word I was looking for. Okay, we got this cute, these are not like together, like I'm gonna wear any pajamas I want. I have this top that I've never worn outside of pajamas. I have this tank top. This Disney pajama top. And my favorite, my Dr. Pepper shirt. And then just a pair of shorts in case it's too hot for one of the days. And then just these plaid Christmassy pants. And then I have another pair that I probably won't film putting in. They're, what's the word I'm looking for? They're like black fuzzy with like stars and stuff all over them. Anyway, oh wait, we also have this top. This might just be like a day wear too, like this black top. So now on to shoes. We have for my white dress and my pink dinner wear, we have these. Packing shoes is always the hardest because I own so many platforms. Then for my pink, like the grayish pink, like brownish pink I meant, dress as well as some other outfits, we have these with the little bows on them. I don't know, I'm struggling today. It's probably because I'm on 3 hours of sleep. But, and then for my blue dress, we have just these little sandals. I got my sandals that I just bought. Oh my god, I'm already running out of space. Okay, we got two things of 100. SPF 100. I've never seen SPF 100 before, but we found it. We got 2 cans of that, and yeah, that's really it for that section. This is what the suitcase is looking like. I still need to add like undergarments and like toothbrush, toothpaste, charger, water bottle, but I also have I have that suitcase I'm bringing as my carry-on, so I have some more space in my carry-on that I can borrow. I don't think clothes wise there's anything left. Yeah, so hi guys, I forgot to film an outro again, but I am packed. I didn't add much outside of what I filmed, mostly just like underwear, but I'm not gonna film my underwear because that's weird. So yeah, I have my carry-on that I'm not packing until like the morning of, because that's just like phone charger, toothbrush, and like that's not important, but it is important, just not for this video. Anyway, my suitcase is so heavy. It's so heavy, but it's okay. Oh, socks. Forgot to add socks. I'll add that to my carry-on because the suitcase isn't fitting anything else in it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my Carnival Mardi Gras 8-night cruise vlog that should be coming out probably middle to end of September. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe for more content. Yeah, bye bye.